In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to claim your website on Pinterest. If you want to connect your website to your Pinterest business account, this is a simple process that helps Pinterest recognize that you own the site. Claiming your website can also improve attribution and make it easier to manage your brand presence on the platform. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the exact steps to start the claiming process directly inside Pinterest. First, log into your Pinterest business account. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you manage more than one brand or profile. Once you're signed in, go to the top right corner of the screen. Depending on the version of Pinterest you see, look for either the small down arrow or the three-dot menu. Click that to open your account options. From the menu that appears, select Settings. This is where Pinterest stores all of the account level options, including business tools, profile preferences, and account connections. After you're in the settings area, look to the menu on the left-hand side of the page. Here you'll want to click either Claimed Accounts or Link to Pinterest, depending on the layout currently shown in your account. Pinterest occasionally updates the wording or interface slightly, so don't worry if it doesn't match exactly word for word. The important thing is to find the section where connected or claimable accounts are managed. Once you're in that section, find the website's area and click Claim next to it. This tells Pinterest that you want to verify ownership of a website and begin the connection process. After clicking Claim, you'll be given a few verification options. For this method, choose Add HTML tag. Pinterest will then provide a short piece of code. Go ahead and copy that code exactly as it appears. This HTML tag is what Pinterest uses to verify that you control the website. Be careful not to change any part of it when copying, since even a small edit can prevent verification from working properly. At this stage, you've completed the Pinterest side of the process and copied the verification tag you need. A helpful tip here is to keep this browser tab open while you work, so you can easily return to it without having to navigate through the settings again. That's it for this part of claiming your website on Pinterest. You're now ready with the HTML tag that Pinterest generated for verification. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.